Welcome to my channel where we talk about all things college. Today we are going to dive into the exciting world of college admissions deadlines. I know applying to different colleges can be quite confusing, especially when you encounter terms like early decision, early action, rolling admissions, and regular decision. But worry not, I'm here to break it down for you. First up, we have early decision. Picture this, it's like getting married to one college, and there's no divorce. You apply to your dream college between November 1st and 15th, and you'll know if they've accepted you by December 15th. But remember, it's a binding contract, so you must commit to attending if accepted. No breaking up with that college. Well, there is one exception. If your family can't afford the tuition, you can talk to the college about getting out of the agreement. Next, we've got early action. This one's like dating multiple colleges simultaneously. You can apply to as many early action schools as you like between November 1st and 15th. The best part? It's not a binding contract. So if you decide one of those colleges isn't your perfect match, you can break up with them, no hard feelings. Now, there's a fancy variation called restrictive early action or single choice early action. It's similar to early action, but you can usually apply to only one private school with this option. But don't worry, you can still apply to as many public schools, regular decision, rolling admissions, or foreign schools without any binding contracts. What are the perks of applying early, you ask? Well, if you're accepted early, you can get that whole application process off your plate. No more anxiously waiting for a response. Plus, colleges see that you're genuinely interested in them, which is always a plus. Statistically, you have a better chance of admission because colleges accept early applicants at higher rates than the regular decision pool of candidates. But remember, applying early means you're competing with some top-notch candidates. So, make sure your application shines. Strong college profile, impactful extracurriculars, impressive letters of recommendation, awesome test scores completed by October, if needed, and stellar essays will give you an edge. Now, onto regular decision, the most common deadline. You usually have until the beginning of January to apply, and colleges respond in March. It's like the standard admission cycle, and you can apply to as many schools as you like. You have the freedom to choose your favorite colleges from the acceptance letters you receive. More importantly, unlike early decision, if you need substantial financial aid, applying regular decision allows you to negotiate your financial aid award. And let's not forget about rolling admissions. With this, you can apply anytime during the school year, and colleges review applications as they come in. Colleges typically contact the strongest applicants first and continue down the list until all available spaces have been filled. So the earlier you apply, the better your chances. Now, how do you pick the right one for you? Well, if you're totally sure about a specific college, early decision might be your jam. But if you want to keep your options open a bit longer, early action allows you to apply to multiple schools. Regular decision is great if you need more time or want to retake tests. And rolling admissions is perfect if you find another college you like or just want to get a quick response. Remember, choosing the right deadline can impact your college journey, so take your time, put together a fantastic application, and find the perfect academic, social, and financial fit for you. And hey, if you want more awesome college advice and personalized assistance, check out my site and schedule a consultation www.collegeplanningprofessionals.com. Hope this helps, and good luck with your college applications.